I travel for three reasons: to explore new places, create some beautiful memories, and to capture those memories. So after 50 years, when I look back, I can see my whole life in front of my eyes. Main purpose of traveling is to running away from all the responsibilities of life for a while. Sometimes a journey gives more pleasure than a destination. Most beautiful part of traveling is to make new friends on a journey and sharing experiences to each other with a cup of coffee at some random place. It feels so peaceful to watch mountain sunrise and city lights from top of the city. I'm in love with those cities I have never been to and people I have never met before.